Hello friends, welcome back to our segment on great value deal on tires for your car. The car that we're featuring today is Mahindra E20, previously known as Riva NXR. The Mahindra E20 is seen as an urban electric hatchback which is manufactured by Mahindra Riva Electric Vehicles. Now the car is a successor to Riva I and is developed using the technology of Riva. Now this car has a range of 120 kilometers and comes in the OE size of 155/70 R13. Now as you know, our biggest challenge always is to set a price point for these tires, and for the tires for your Riva we have set a price point of Rs 2200. Now we have been out in the market looking for the best tires under this price point, and we have zeroed in on 3 best tires that will come under the great value deal. Now sadly, none of the Indian manufacturers sell tires under this price point. Nevertheless, the tires that we have chosen for you are of great quality and are great value deal for your money. Let's go ahead and have a look at these tires. Now the first tire to make the cut comes from an Indonesian company called Multistrada. Now Multistrada operates in India under this flagship brand called Achilles Radials, and the pattern here is Platinum 122. Now this tire is good for safety since it has a good dry grip and a good wet grip. Although the comfort under these categories is generally not so good because the tire sidewalls are a little stiff to protect the tire from cuts and road damage. This tire operates in Indian retail market at around Rs 2200. Now the second tire that makes the list comes from a Taiwanese company called Kenda, and the pattern is KR23. Now this tire has a very nice looking pattern and is good for city driving. The tire has a decent dry grip and an average wet grip. The tire has a bit high noise factor, however, is the cheapest on the list and is available in the retail market for around 1900 rupees. Now with that we move on to a third and final tire, which is Nexen CP661. Now Nexen is a South Korean company which is worth more than $1.4 billion. It was established in 1942 and has exports going to more than 120 countries globally. Nexen CP661 lives up to the standards that we have come to expect from the Korean products. It has a good durability, functionality without frills, a good dry grip and a good wet grip as well. Now this tire sells in the retail market at somewhere between Achilles and Kenda and is definitely a very good value for your money. Now folks, those were the tires that we have chosen for you today. Now remember, when you are replacing tires on your car, it's not what you're saving on just one tire. Since you will be replacing all 4 tires on your car, your savings get multiplied by 4. Now if you'd like to be updated about the great value deal on tires and the latest happenings in the tire industry, you may please go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel below, or you can go ahead and download our Tire Times app. You can also go on www.tiretimes.com and subscribe for our weekly newsletter. You can also go ahead and follow us on our Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn pages. And with that, it is goodbye for me. Have a great day and drive safe.